In Airack, this thumbnail, you see this type of glowing money. In this video, I will be showing you how to make this type of glowing money. But before going to the video, first download these assets from description. Make sure your money has been masked out. Take a copy of your money layer. Then go to filter and add Gaussian blur and change the blur amount to 10%. And change its blending mode to screen. Then decrease the opacity to 30%. Again, take copy of money layer. Then double click on Gaussian blur and this time change blur amount to 50%. Again, take copy of money layer. Then again double click on Gaussian blur and this time change blur amount to 100%. Then I add this texture that you can download from description. Clip this texture to money layer. And clip your all money layers to the original money layer. Then change texture layer blending mode to darken. And decrease its opacity as you like. Then add color balance layer and make it green or any color you like. So this is the before, and this is the after.